Two. Yeah, y'all see it. We at the meet, man. We blocking off traffic right now. We got some toys pulling up. Got that boy Tyson with me. What you gotta say to him? Show him the AP. Yeah. We got toy pulling up. Catch the YouTube. Yeah. Nah. Yo, that's definitely a Z. I think that's a Z. That bit look crazy. Y'all see it? That's like Rico cat. That hard. Y'all see it? We got them toys out here. I already know what y'all want to see. That's the man, the track car. I don't want to walk back there and somebody try to come pull through here. Maybe not. That's what I'm saying. Where it go? Wide, but I don't know what that is. That bit hard. But I go bit boy Z. The Z is definitely the hardest, you feel me? Oh, that's Brandon. Make sure I go subscribe to his YouTube. Boy, pulled up. That's some fun shit. That's a what's name? That's crazy. Yeah, Mustang. Yeah. I know what y'all want to see. I want to see some of that. What's name? Y'all want to see some of that motion. I already know what y'all want to see, man. I'm gonna get back with y'all. Nah, I ain't gonna say that. I'm about to say, oh, this gonna be filled up, but it ain't gonna really be filled up. Huh? No, that's a V6. The gray one's a V6. I think that one is scat. That's zero. That's one though. What you looking at, bro? I'm looking at the tree, bro. Why are you looking at the tree, bro? You go out bad. Let me see your pose real quick though with the watch. Is that Rollo? No. That boy got the toys out down there. You hear me? That Z nasty. Look at Rod. I don't know. Yeah, man. I ain't hear from Rod all day since I've been here. I just seen him pulled up. I wouldn't either. Car this car out here? Oh, would I? Oh. Oh, they fleet tough. Been up here. What you partner on the other side? That bit crazy, boy. All right, riding the cut. Yeah. I heard you come in, bro. That bit popping. Yeah. God. Yeah. That Z, bro. I'm gonna get back to that Z though. We got Ill Will. I've been here, bro. What, bro? I've been here. Where you been at, bro? Huh? Where you been at?
Wait till you walk across the front of my car. That's
that boy, he go bit 15. Love it. Yeah, Lee Will.
Whoa, hey, look, repaint.
Did you hear it?
Repaint.
Oh, so them chips are. Ooh.
Repaint, man.
Oh, he working.
Come on now, I gotta get this shit on.
He working. We got the GTO. He got 10. He don't know how to act, y'all. Oh, yeah. I don't want to show what's under the hood.
Oh, I got to see what's under the hood.
Yeah, cause how that bit be sounding, it's crazy. I know y'all want to see. Hold on. I know y'all want to see the GTO, but I can't even let y'all see.
What's that one intake? What do you call it?
Oh, I gotta get back to my job, bro.
What do you call
it? Ooh. Will hit a deer. I did too. I hit a deer too. You see the hardest car out here though?
Ooh, where?
Why would?
Where? What's up? Which one, bro? Straight. Yeah.
What kind of question is that?
Where?
Just look down, bro. Oh, okay. All right.
Hey.
What, bro?
I seen no RX-8 out here.
Because that's, wait, y'all ain't see them though.
See what? Oh, yeah.
Oh, rich man.
Ooh, rich.
Yeah.
I wish.
I gotta go back to the other side, bro.
What's on the other side?
Traffic, I gotta block off traffic.
You said regular traffic?
No, I gotta make sure they don't come in on that side of all traffic.
Oh, you missed your post.
Huh?
You off your post.
I had to vlog for YouTube. You feel me? Yeah, man, I see him. That bit's so hard.
That ain't bad, though.
That bit crazy. I'll probably get back with y'all. Want some more car pull up. Tell her we see him later, Will.
We'll see him later, man.
Thank you, bro. Thank you for being patient. I gotta go back to the other side, man. That boy got that shit on his wavy self. I'm really the waviest nigga out here, though. You feel me?
Really not, though. That's why that shit on.
Oh, it's traffic coming in. All right, catch y'all with some more car pull up. Will got the bumper back on, just like that. Just like that, he got the bumper back on, y'all. In a snap of a finger.
Hey, don't close that.
I'm sorry, I won't. All right, I got you. We got some more toys across the street. With a what? Cam scat? That's a Hellcat. We got the hood Lambo out here.
I was gonna put on the regular traffic over here then. Just fill that up at first. But since we got the whole L.
No, we still got the other side too.
Yeah, the thing, how much,
When they finally start filling it up.
Forged carbon on the G8 is crazy. GTO. Go on with it.
truck?
Go on, so you good?
Yeah,
Go on with it. Truck. Okay, yeah. I see the hood dancing. Look go scatty pack. Yeah. Hood scoop. I mean hood pants, my bad. Yeah. Forged carbon on an 8-ball is crazy. I ain't never seen nothing like that. I wonder who car this is. Who car is this, man?
2A.
The guy, this is going on YouTube. The guy that owned this car, bro.
2A.
And it's a scammer?
Or some, he gotta be a truck driver. For you to afford this car right here, you gotta be a truck driver, bro.
With tax fraud, all that. Everything.
He's a truck. Yeah. Maybe he do something with taxis, like a tax realtor or something.
Hey, Jack, go ahead and give him a rundown about your car. He asked motherfuckers here walking on. Oh, it's his car. Yeah, his son. That's what I'm thinking. Like, especially when the sun go down type shit.
That Forged, I'm wrapping my whole car in Forged carbon, bro. With the pink Brembos, it's basically a Camaro.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. But they gave us a back. Yeah.
Yeah, put a different man.
This really a Camaro if you think about it. He stole. Yeah, until you pop the hood. Till you pop the hood. I see it. Yeah, we'll go 5-0. Yeah. Yeah. God damn. Nigga. Now that bit talking. How you feeling today, twin? You what? Whoa, what? Yeah. Hey, so. Oh. Hit me. So, what, we put over here? Oh, hold on. Will said he finna get right there. Like those.
Whatever y'all want to do.
That's a bit.
I was trying to figure that out and then right there.
Oh, yeah.
You might want to tell them to pull over.
Yeah, they went in there to get some food. I think.
Oh, let me go move my shit real quick. Don't scrub that. Oh.
We go with the cones ride.
So they basically got this shit then. They got it. Like they got the parking lot. So we finna move over there.
Yeah, we got the whole parking lot. I mean, but we can. I mean, they stay right there, but shit.
We just gonna have both.
Yeah.
All right. Hey. What? Hello. Yeah. Yeah, man. Y'all see it. We got Mopar pulled up. We got Mopar pulled up. You feel me? Y'all seen it. I think y'all already saw them. Yeah. 5-0. 8 ball. Yeah. Yeah. We got the Chryslers. Yeah. Most shit, we go all the way down. Another Chrysler. Yeah. Now, when I get some more, I'm gonna hop back on the camera. Run. What you doing? God damn, I understand, bro. You got that 115, you gonna kill me. And that what's that in the back? That Charger? Both of them. One got 115, the other one got, he say.
Will don't pull nothing crazy out the car to eat. We won't in.
I'm still finna go to West Area, bro.
What?
I wanna go to Wings, whatever that shit is right there. Where we getting the wing from?
Wingstop.
Hey, that's a wing stop. Get it here.
I hit him.
Yeah.
Remember, I need to cut it out. I know you get caught. What?
Oh,
I don't know Al Green.
you a W man for that. I wasn't even thinking. I'm gonna get back with y'all with some more car pull up. Yeah. That boy got no LT1s out. Yeah, man. Some more car pulled up. We got the families. You hear me? That motherfucker sound crazy. We go ahead, twin. Yeah. We got them toys out. Hey, twin. Know how I get. Ooh. Ooh. That bit look good. He got an LT1. I think it's the LT1. You good? This is an LT1? That's what I'm saying. I didn't know they came in that style though. That bit nasty. Ooh. That bit nasty, bro.
Where you at?
Damn. What you got done to it? Well, that's it. I'm trying to get the same one. If not this one, I'm going 5th gen. Yeah, Z28.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. That bit wet.
That bit hard, boy.
That bit hard. What is it? LT1? I ain't never knew they came in this style.
Yeah.
Damn. That bit hard. That boy got the rifle up. Hey, that's what we need, boy. We need that rave. Look, that Ray, that what's name? He got me with us. Yeah, that's it, man. Alright, carbon fiber, Mustang. Yeah, some old cross. I have seen that. I seen that somewhere before though.
It's on Instagram. Actually. Yeah, it's on the same. I should.
It's only too much, bro. Alright, damn.
Wait, man, I stay over here. That was
It been loaded, y'all. He got cart. This it? They did.
The red one. That's why it got the red S.
We got the fiber. Oh, this it? What's that?
I know you want to take it.
Yeah, hell yeah.
I told you you want to take it back. Take it back.
God damn.
Just do it and then just straight pipe it.
That bit hard. He parked over for what? When he drove here.
Hey, man. Tell him come over here.
Oh, that's his name. Where he at? Hitman. Hey, his name Hitman. Camera boy. Hitman. Yeah. Like Hitman 1K. Is that Jay? Nigga, that's Jay. That's Jay. That's a cat. That's it. God damn. That's how they come over some more. What's name at? Oh, he back there.
Let's shoot that side.
No, think I got a check to him?
What happened?
Think I got a check?
Hell no.
My dream girl, sir. What, bro? They been nasty, but. I ain't gonna hard to see. That bit hard. We're going. Recording me?
Yeah.
RT. What's that? What the 5 spokes, though? Yeah. That's it. Oh my God. Oh my God. They bit wet. They bit hard.
Bro.
Oh, that's green.
That bit tough. Look at that purple hit off in that sign though. What's up, bro? That purple hit hard. We bit though. This bit is crazy. Look at the door. God damn. They bit hard. What that, matte blue?
Yeah.
That bit crazy. Huh? And he got LED lights on that bit. That bit dancing. Oh, you fucked the game up. That matte blue, bro.
Okay. Damn, I got a cousin named Devin.
Oh my God. Woo! What's going on with it? You too. Oh my God. Ferrari. Here go Maserati. That hard. Come on now. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Real quick. Who? Hi. That was him that you went past. I think. Oh, you got. What is that? I'm saying. Big boy said. Yeah. Yeah. Hi, boy. Yeah. This shit looking lovely. Huh? Look like he about to do it. Look at that bit. Look at that bit. That bit crazy. No, I'm saying, so he got this bit loaded. Yeah. He got the 300 whammy. Whammy. Look at 3. That bitch sound crazy. What's up, huh? Yeah. Look. I want you to go down the road for me, right? And I just want you, let me see your reaction on all these cars. You can start.
I like them.
You got.
Look here. See, I built one just for to run these cars.
Yeah.
All right.
All right, I heard that. Yeah. We got them out here now.
Yes, sir.
Let me see what you got. We got the Ferrari. Yeah, you see it, we working, man. Woo! Yeah, I see it.
Yeah.
Oh. Yes, sir. Yeah. It bit. Crazy. What the fuck? How? How did you walk that bit? That's RT. Mango RT. Look at her. Ain't that the what's name?
I think that might be my cousin. That might be my cousin.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. He back.
The biggest.
Yeah.
He's back.
What?
He's back.
Okay.
Just in the flesh.
Yeah.
In black.
In black.
Got the Mac.
Mac. Woo! That boy nasty. He's nasty. He's nasty. Who is that? Y'all know him though. Y'all know this man.
I don't know me.
Y'all go watch every video on my channel. Y'all know him.
Yo, you been?
Y'all know him.
Why you fan, boy?
Y'all know him. Yeah. Who else? Y'all know him? Him? Y'all know him? Ain't he the one that be drifting that shit?
Yes, you can.
Oh! Ain't he that one with that scat? Don't you got a scat, bro? You be sliding that motherfucker. Nah, what Cal said was fed.
Nah, you're a fan.
He fed. And he got that shit on. Oh! What Queese at?
Why you say GSU like that? Nah, that wasn't him. That was him. It was another nigga. I'm trying to find him.
Ooh, where he at? Oh. Ooh. It's only one person in the group chat that got that wheel. At that slime shit. Yeah. Hey, don't she got like no exhaust on that motherfucker, something like that? I think something like Cactus or something. Huh?
Might give me keys to a Mopar.
Yeah? That'd be the best bet. You don't want to be sliding at man. Yeah. Slider man himself. You know your new name? Slider. All I said, we be in Mexico when we be sliding. When he slide, we be in Mexico.
I know. Are you holding your hand? You in my close friend. Lame man, nigga, this shit auto over there, fucking lame man, nigga. You lame as fuck, bro. That was in my GSU. You really talking? You lame as fuck, bro. That was in my GSU. You lame as fuck, bro.
He was at TSU. He be cut up on his story. He got 150 on his story.
You be cutting up. You be at GSU. You at GSU for 3 weeks in a row.
I'm not from Atlanta.
What the fuck is Atlanta? What the fuck is Atlanta? What the fuck is Atlanta?
He's not. Pass back. Whoa. No. Come here. No. Now we on you. Look. No.
You was definitely at GSU.
That was you.
I seen it on your story.
I seen you in 3 different cars.
I seen your story.
It was a black. Look. Look. It was a black Camaro, a red Charger. Man, hey, y'all see it, man. I see it. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah. Everything after that.
That's it. That's it. SRTG. Yeah. Well, I got flavors out there, motherfucker. More shit over there. I'm saying. That boy taking the cut. Yeah.
I'm too scared to come outside now.
Yeah. Let's see it. Big boy ZL1. RT. Hi, boy.
Hey.
Jay. Wide bodies. I'm saying. Scat. I'm saying. Pretty sure y'all seen that scat. You follow me on Instagram, you seen this scat. Shit looking lovely. Wide body, 3'9" dude. Charlie, 3'9" dude. Got Chucky.
Yo.
Yeah. Most stingers. Stinger. I'm saying. Q-Fit, you know what I'm saying? Triple X, by the way, you know what I'm saying? Juba. You know what I'm saying? Oh. With the bumper. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Yeah. Shit everywhere. Shit looking real lovely, P. That boy got that bitch. Where you at? I don't know. Where's that? I don't know. Yeah, and we got more shit pulling up, man. Yeah. What?
Shit.
Yeah. Oh, that boy icy. Yeah. We got Hitman on the camera. He working that camera. Yeah.
See how the triples do it. You see the triples bring out.
How they do it?
Triples bring out.
Do we need to go down the lineup, twin?
Shit like this.
Okay.
We really go car for car.
Car for car.
We want to keep the
Motor for motor.
Motor for motor.
With any car
We
group.
go both for both.
You hear me?
We go bitch for bitch.
Bitch for
we
bitch.
Go band for band. We go camera for camera.
What?
Turbo.
We go turbo for turbo.
What?
We go all that. You feel me?
All that. I'm saying, yeah. Most shit. I'm saying. Oh God, and I think that bitch be popping, son. Yeah. Q50. Yeah. Yeah. Twin, you recording? You ain't vlogging? Oh, I feel you. I feel you. You know what I'm saying?
What need to do?
Tell you know what I'm saying? He need to. We getting rich out content this year. Is that Eli? Yeah. God, oh, that's a nice car.
No cap.
Forgot I'm on YouTube. I'm telling you. Oh, what? Hey, yeah. Yeah, that. Why? Oh, God, yeah. Tell you. Shit.
You see how half of black and half blue on that front. Oh, tell you probably not red that motherfucker. But they get the place from it.
Hey, y'all. I'm gonna have to put the camera down for a little minute. I got now, you feel me? I'm sad. Yeah. Shit, we got no toys out. Shit looking lovely. Fathead, you recording? Tight shit. Quiz.
Hey, man, I'm charging like $50 putting it on your camera, you know what I'm saying? This shit.
No. They already know you, twin.
Oh, shit.
They know you, son. You gonna charge me?
I gotta charge you, man. This shit ain't free, man.
My bad.
You know what I'm saying? I gotta charge you.
He say, damn. What? Yeah, I see both of them before.
Get in the rim, though.
Oh,
Them bitches look good today.
yeah. You went to the car with them?
I took my time to watch them bitches.
Oh, hand wash.
I took my time with them rims. You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? I took time.
Okay, cool.
Hey, you good?
Charge your put up trim.
I pull up with Walmart shirt on, you know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
Come on, $6.99.
That bitch sound good.
What's up, son?
Yeah. Well, what's that, man? Oh.